guys, welcome to Melbourne Power Equipment. My name is Jess and today I'll be showing you just how easy it is to use one of these oil extraction kits you can find available at our website. So we're going to assemble this oil extraction kit, and firstly the pump will go into this fitting. Really easily. Just like so. And we'll open our oil collection container. The fitting just pushes down inside the container. And the hose, you'll see that there is a cutout in the top of this fitting where we just push the hose in. So easy. So as you can see, I've removed the dipstick and placed the tube into the engine oil reservoir. And now I'm simply just going to pump the handle and extract the oil. Wow, that was really easy. Well, as you just seen for yourself, not a drop of oil spilt, so easy to use. If you're interested in purchasing your own oil extraction kit, you can find them for under $30 on our website at www.melbpower.com.au. Always dispose of your engine oil thoughtfully. Thanks heaps for tuning in today, guys. Please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Take care, and we'll see you next time.